Figured while I'm cleaning my shop up today, I'd talk to you guys about my latest tool purchase, which is this Milwaukee battery powered 18 volt, 18 gauge brad nailer. So why did I go with Milwaukee? Let's talk about that. See, in my shop, we have an air compressor. I have plenty of Dewalt battery powered tools, so I could have gone with Dewalt. I have Hitachi, which is now Matebo, air tools, so finish nailer, brad nailer, framing nailer down there. This brad nailer has served me great. It's not an issue at all. Shoots up to a 2-inch brad. The Milwaukee shoots up to a 2 1/8, I believe. So a little more. But I've got tons of Dewalt stuff, plenty of that other stuff. So why did I go with Milwaukee? Well, because I'm a Milwaukee fanboy, that's why. If you've seen my videos in the past, I've done a toolbox tour. I'm a diesel mechanic by trade, and I absolutely love my Milwaukee tools. So if they're going to serve me as a diesel mechanic, and I haven't had a single one of them break. I did have a charger kind of go dead, not a huge deal. As far as the tools go, I haven't had a problem with them. I use them 8 or 10 hours a day, every day, all week long, and haven't had any issues. So when I had the chance to buy a Milwaukee brad nailer, bring it into a workshop like this, I said, you know, I've already got some batteries for it. Let's go ahead and do it. So I did. I've had it for about a month now, and I absolutely love it. I'm still on the first battery. I've gone through maybe a few hundred brad nails in that time. Puts them exactly where I want. I can adjust the depth right here. I can adjust if I want 1 or 3 to shoot 1 or 3 brad nails. I always leave it on 1. But it always puts them right where I want to, and I haven't had an issue with it yet. So, but let me show you the real reason that I wanted a battery-powered brad nailer. Because like I said, I have an air compressor, I have a brad nailer that served me well, still works fine. So why did I bother getting a new one? Let me show you why. So let me show you what happens when I pull out the air hose to my compressor. He hates it. He hates this air hose with a passion. I don't know why. He wants to eat the air hose. No. So, I'm okay. I'm okay. He thinks that the air hose is trying to hurt me. And I have to tell him I'm okay. So can you imagine trying to strategically put some brad nails in a nice piece of furniture, and you get this thing attacking you? Yeah, that's why I went with battery. So that's why I went with a battery-powered gun instead of an air-powered gun. The reason I went with Milwaukee is because I'm a Milwaukee fanboy from being a diesel mechanic and using those at work. My Dewalt served me just fine. I have plenty of Dewalt tools, chop saw, some drills, some little circular saw, stuff like that. It serves me okay. I don't like the battery life. I like the battery life of Milwaukee. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and subscribe. I'm sure I'll have some more tool reviews that my dogs don't like.